Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make steamed pumpkin buns. It has mild sweet flavor with soft and fluffy texture. It is perfect as breakfast in the fall. To make these steamed buns, wake up our yeast is really important. I used 500 grams warm water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon yeast. Give it stir with a spoon. Around 5 minutes, you will see your yeast starts to foam. Because we're gonna make 2 doughs in this recipe, so we need 2 large bowls. Each bowls we're gonna put 3 cups of the flour, a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder in each bowl, and then add 200 grams yeast mixed in the white dough. The rest, around 300 grams yeast mixed in the orange pumpkin dough. Mix them well together. Add 250 grams pumpkin puree in the dough mix. Now we're gonna work on kneading the dough. Knead each dough for about 7 minutes until the outer is smooth. The dough should be soft but not sticky. If your dough is drier, just add in a bit more water. If it is sticky, lightly coat hand with flour when kneading. After done kneading, and we put the dough back into the bowl, let it rest and rise for 1/2 hour. After 1/2 hour, our dough should be double-sized. The surface should be really smooth. Take them out, and we need to knead both of them for around 5 minutes. The good part to make steamed buns is as long as your dough is perfectly done, your steamed bun is probably 80% success. Once your dough is great, you can make as many shape as you want. I'm going to show you guys several shape of buns I made today. It's really simple and easy. The first one is really basic. It is look like cinnamon bun. You just roll white dough and pumpkin dough like rectangle shape, or brush some water between, and this way they can stick better together, and gently roll them up just like when you roll the cinnamon bun. Before I started rolling the dough, I did brush a little bit more water to the surface. This way we'll keep the shape better together. The second type, I made 2 different kind of flour. Then I made some little pumpkins. This is probably the easiest one. You just use the orange dough, make it like a pumpkin shape, and put the raisins on the top of the little pumpkin, and it's good to go. Arrange the dough in steamer rack is really important. Leave some space between each and put the racks over the warm water. Cover and proof for around 20 minutes. After proofing for 20 minutes, turn the cooker to high heat until water is boiling, about 3 minutes. Then reduce to medium heat and steam for another 15 minutes. Soft and fluffy pumpkin buns are done. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.